Hey there all, it's me. It's Bizarre. And as you can kind of see with my last video of where I am and where I'm not. So, we're going to get rid of this Abus 64 Ti/50. We're going to set that aside. We're also going to set this Nautic aside. This Abus Nautic. Over there. We're also going to set this Master Lock number 3 to the side. And his keys. Alright? Because as you all know, I've been talking some mad smack about this one. The Master Lock number 5. The easy peasy lemon squeezy lock. And I must apologize about my voice. Okay. I'm sorry, I've been sick. I've lost it a couple of times throughout the weeks. So, whatever size this dealio is right here, I'm going to shove it right here. And if anyone sits there and says, well, top attention, my dude, top attention, I don't have one of those tension wrenches, alright? So what I've been doing recently is I've been going in here, I've been feeling around. And I finally have been able to distinguish all 4 pins. This actually took me quite a bit. So here's the 4th pin. It feels like it got caught up. Here's the 3rd pin. Here's the 2nd pin. And I don't feel any more pins. I think I shoved them too far. Listen. So they all fell down. Yeah? Alright. So let's start off with the 1st pin. Here's the 4th pin. It's kind of just dangling down there a little bit. Or was that the 4th pin? Yeah, that's the 4th pin. I don't know. Besides this one right here, the 1st one. They all feel like they're stuck up there. Which I'm almost assuming they're all overset. And I just cannot figure out correct either binding order or, like, not to push them up all the way. I cannot figure that out. Like, to me, I just want to push them all the way up in there. Like, I understand everyone saying, oh, yeah, I hear the clicks. Yeah, man, I hear the clicks too. But when I hear the clicks, there is no more clicks and there's nothing else to push up. So, let's grab this diamond, half diamond. I don't know what the fuck you call this. Let's grab this one that everyone talks about, alright? And people say you could rake this and pin it. So, pretty harsh tension right now. I can't move it past that last one. So, oh, there we go. Used up a little bit. Pretty harsh tension. Can't move it past the last one. Oh, there we go. Boom. Got to pass every single one. Now we're going to put it back in there. Nope, can't put it back in there. Yep, there we go. Little less tension. There we go. So, now we're stuck at this back one. It feels a little springy. We're stuck at this one. It feels a little springy. But still, I can't open it. Listen. So they did drop. I mean, so I rake it. I'm really not even understanding anything about this raking stuff. Here, let's go into this. I'm not sure if this is what y'all have been talking about the city rake. It's from one of those Cheapo Depot kits. But anyway, it kind of looks like that, a city rake. So we're going to shove it in there. We're going to rake it slowly out. In, out, little bit of tension. In, out, little bit of tension. In, out, little bit of tension. In all honesty, man, everybody that